Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Google Translate extension to Google Chrome. So in order to do this, first of all open your PC and open your Google Chrome application. Now after opening Google Chrome, you will see the Google Chrome's new tab. Here you're going to click on the three dotted icon at the top right of the screen and you will see different options. Here you're going to simply click on extensions and you will see two options saying manage extensions or visit Chrome Web Store. Now, if you don't see this option, what you can do is simply go to settings and click on the extensions button just right here. Now, it will show up this page where you can easily search for extensions, or you can simply click on this small Chrome Web Store button and it will take you up to Chrome Web Store. So on this page, we'll have to basically click on this button and navigate to Chrome Web Store. Or what you can also do is simply just go to extensions and click on visit Chrome Web Store. Now after opening your Chrome Web Store, you're going to click on the search icon and search for Google Translate. Now click on Google Translate and click on add to Chrome button. Now click on add extension button just right here. Now it will instantly add Google Chrome's extensions on your Google Chrome. As you can see, Google Translate has been added to Chrome. Now you can easily search for anything, then click on this extensions icon at the top right and click on the pin icon. Now Google Translate will be pinned as your extension. You'll have to simply click here and search for anything that you want to translate. And you can also choose the language to which you want to translate this to. Also you can click on open in Google Translate and add two languages in which you want to translate the word. So that is how you add Google Translate extension to Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.